Blender for kitchen are offered in a wide variety. Is with a unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the blender for kitchen from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods, to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Professional Power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. XL capacity. The 72 ounces professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1000 watt motor base professional blender and 72 ounces total crushing pitcher with lid. Number 2. Powerful blending performance. With 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saver blades, this smoothie blender gives you all the power you need to make smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks and more. Ultra smooth results with patented wave action system. As you blend, ingredients are continuously forced down into the blades and circulated around the jar, thoroughly crushing the hardest foods with ease. Serve with ease. The spout on this electric blender lets you pour contents into your glass without spills or drips, so serving is easy and mess-free. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe glass jar, lid, and blades. Blending multiple servings is easy with the glass jar that holds 40 ounces. The jar, lid, and removable blades on the blender are all dishwasher-safe. 12 blending functions for maximum versatility. This multifunction blender has 12 functions controlled by 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. It blends and crushes ice for smoothies and milkshakes, purees, dices, chops, and more. Number 3. Lightweight 6-cup jar. The plastic 6-cup, 48 ounces, jar is easy to handle with a perfect pour spout that eliminates drips and spills. 4-point blade. The multi-level stainless steel blade blends at multiple levels to improve efficiency and blending power. Voltage, 120 V. Number 4. 700 power watts/450 blending watts. 16 different speeds. Food processor attachment. Counter-worthy design. Dimensions, 15x8x8.5, cord length, 16. It is a good blender. Of course it is Oster. I did not give a 5-star because the jar does not fit tight on the base. It requires to press down the jar against the base for proper functioning, unlike my old 40-year Oster blender. Measuring lid. The clear lid insert doubles as a 1-ounce measuring cup, perfect for making iced mixed drinks. Dishwasher safe parts. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher safe pitcher, lid, and blade. 10 speeds with pulse. Find the right consistency for everything you make with a full range of blending speeds and a pulse function. Number 5. Included, 1. 250W motor base, 1. Cross blade, 1. Tall cup, 1. Short cup, 1. Party mug, 2. Lip rings, 2. Stay fresh resealable lids, 1. To-go lid and 10-second recipe guide. The magic bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. Included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add 1/2 cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing.